Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will begin by enabling the Cloud Translation API and creating a service account key. Do that now so the credentials exist. Once done, place the JSON key in your project and point Google application credentials to it, and Run Composer require Google/Cloud Translate to install the client. Make sure to keep the key out of version control and use environment variables. This first batch sets up authentication and the client library so your Laravel app can call Google Translate securely. Next, implement a translation service that instantiates Translate Client with your credentials and default options. You do this to encapsulate API calls and error handling. Then bind that service in a provider so you can inject it into controllers and jobs. Use request validation to sanitize text input and apply caching for repeated translations to reduce costs. Also, map Laravel locales to Google language codes. This middle step organizes calls, secures usage, and optimizes performance for production. To finish, write integration tests or use Postman to verify translations across locales and ensure responses match your expected format. Deploy with environment variables for credentials and enable billing alerts so you don't hit silent quota limits. Log errors for visibility. If things go wrong, verify the service account key path, that the translation API is enabled in the same project, and check quotas and region restrictions. Once fixed, make sure you use caching and rate limits to control costs and latency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.